my critics, I consider that very constructively. Why is it really constructive? Why is it really important in the sense? Every day, when you just have a critic in your own mind, you just start working every single day to improve on that. Hey everyone, Sanjay here from Control Podcast. You're listening to Consan Show, episode number 227. And in this episode, I just want to discuss if you just start to create something, how to find your best fan, how to find your best critic. Let's get started. Hey everyone, Sanjay here from Control Podcast. You're listening to Constant Show. Never listen to any advice, guys. That's the advice that I want. These are nothing but you practice, you will become an expert one. Your network is your net worth. But I don't know how to start. Just start. I always believe that I am my biggest critic and I am my biggest fan too. You guys might feel so amazed, or you guys might feel like, man, this person is gonna talk something more horrible even today. To be true, I am my biggest fan. When I just do something new, when I just create something new, I feel like I just want to do that again. I just want to do it again and again. I just want to try that one more time. I just want to look into that. I just want to listen to that. I just want to watch that one more time. So I feel so excited to do that. Why is because I am my biggest fan. At the same time, I also believe that I am my biggest critic. Before someone just demotivates me, I just try to demotivate myself and try to improve on my own life. You know, in my life, it is like my critics. I consider that very constructively. Why is it really constructive? Why is it really important in the sense? Every day, when you just have a critic in your own mind, you just start working every single day to improve on that, to change that, to make an effort on that, to evolve yourself. That is really important. That is what I am doing. That is what I feel like. That makes me more happy. So you know that you are bad at something, and you just want to do that. But how do you really do that? If you just say that you don't want to do that, you are bad at something, that won't evolve, that won't improve. So what I do is I just start doing it again and again and again. And one fine day, I'll feel like, man, this is completely awesome. This is awesome, and I have done that. The proud moment of myself, I encourage myself, and that is how I evolve in my life. Probably, if you could watch that, my first episode, that would have completely been horrible. You know, to be true, I took somewhere around 70 takes to 70, not even 70, 90 takes to record that one video in the first day. The Consan Show episode number 001. So that episode, it took me somewhere around 70 takes, sorry, 90 takes. Think about this. And I just edited that for 3 to 4 days, completely 3 to 4 days. I just edited that particular video. But today I'm just doing it for 2 or 3 takes, and it's been edited so awesome. How is this possible? Because I just criticize myself and I just be a fan of myself. The things that I really love doing, that is more important. That is something that I believe that this is awesome. If I do that, I think I put 100% effort on some things that I really love. So be your biggest fan, be your biggest critic. That is how you improve in your life, and that is how you need to pull yourself. That is how you need to push yourself. You know, sometimes in your life, you won't have anyone to tell you that you are the most horrible person to do this. You are the best person to do this. So there is no one who's sitting out there and who would help you out. The path, it's completely lonely and you have to take it. So it is you who have to motivate you, it is you who have to criticize you, you have to push you, you have to pull you. So both the things you have to do that. That is how you can be your own biggest fan as well as your own biggest critic. So I'm giving shout out to everyone who just comment on my pictures, podcast, videos, episodes. So make sure you guys do that, and I'll be so happy if you do that. Hit that subscribe button, hit that right button. If you feel like my video makes sense, drop your thoughts in the comment section. I'll be waiting to read your comments, and I'll be very quick to reply them. And the next thing is hit that bell icon if you are really interested to receive daily motivational dose, and that would mean a world to me. I would assure you that every single day before you just wake up, my videos will be on your mobile phones. That's for sure. That's my assurance, and I'll meet you guys in my next podcast. Meet you guys at the top. Thank you. It's me, Sanjay, signing off. Bye bye.